dividers have a point. Some foods just shouldn't mix. The problem is, mixing up food is something plates are really good at. You could put everything into separate bowls, or fill your cabinets up with plastic section plates, or you could use Food Cubby. Food Cubby is a simple, family-friendly solution that lets you keep your food separated using the plates you already have. It's made from food-grade silicone that suctions onto a clean plate to create a wall that keeps runny foods in their place. Food Cubby dividers are designed to fit different amounts of food for portion control, and you can place them any way you want to suit each individual meal. Dividers also function as a helpful edge that lets you push food onto your utensil instead of chasing it around the plate. Food Cubby is dishwasher safe up to 400 degrees and doesn't support the growth of harmful bacteria. It's easy to stash in a bag or lunchbox so you can take it anywhere you go to eat. Available in 2 sizes, Food Cubby is the perfect solution for picky eaters, people with disabilities, and anybody who could use a helping hand getting food onto their utensils.